I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make diet chicken salad at home using an easy method. First, ensure you have about 12 ounces of cooked chicken breast, either shredded or diced. Next, gather your light mayonnaise, plain Greek yogurt, finely chopped celery, and a small amount of red onion. Don't forget fresh herbs such as dill or parsley, along with salt and pepper to taste. This simple approach ensures a delicious and healthy meal. Now let's get mixing. Take your cooked chicken and place it in a large bowl. Add about 2/3 cup of light mayonnaise, which keeps it creamy without excess fat. Then, incorporate 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. This boosts protein and adds a tangy flavor. Stir in 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for crunch and 2 tablespoons of finely diced red onion for a subtle bite. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. To elevate the flavor, add about 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs. Dill or parsley work wonderfully, bringing a bright, fresh note to the salad. Next, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste a small amount. Adjust any seasonings if necessary, perhaps a little more salt or a squeeze of lemon juice for extra zest. This step is key for perfect flavor. Your delicious diet chicken salad is now ready. You can serve it right away, or for even better flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. It's fantastic in crisp lettuce wraps, on whole wheat crackers, or as a light and satisfying sandwich filling. This recipe yields about 4 servings, each with significantly fewer calories than traditional versions. For more great content and other deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy your healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.